Welcome. If you're looking to expand your Discord network and allow people to add you by your email, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to enable this feature on your Android device. Let's jump right in. First, open the Discord app on your Android. If you're already logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap it. This will take you to your account settings. Next, to access more options, tap the gear icon located at the top right of the screen, which will lead you to the Settings menu. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and find Privacy and Safety. This section is crucial for managing how others can connect with you. After selecting Privacy and Safety, keep scrolling until you see the Discovery Permissions section. Here, you'll want to toggle on the option labeled Email. And that's it. By enabling this feature, people can now add you on Discord using your email address, making it easier to connect with friends and community members. Thanks for watching.